Some 2021 Ford Bronco buyers are getting tired of waiting and buying other vehicles. And the patience is wearing out. The last Ford Bronco rolled off the assembly line way back in 1996. Then Ford announced that it was bringing back its iconic off-road SUV in 2017. Now, after 3+ years of impatiently waiting, the 2021 Ford Bronco was finally revealed to the masses in July. So we certainly can't blame the Bronco 190,000 reservation plus holders for getting a little tired of waiting for their vehicle to enter production. The problem was only compounded by a recent announcement that the 2021 Bronco deliveries were being delayed until the summer of 2021, after they were originally slated to start in the spring. For some reservation holders, this was a straw that broke the proverbial camel back, it seems. And after waiting 3 years for the Bronco, I'm sad to go in another direction, Ford Authority reader Brian told us. My preference is Ford, and I waited as much as possible for the new Bronco to come out. But my truck, 2004 Ford F-150, is falling apart, and I need a new one today. So I can't wait anymore. It's now between a Colorado ZR2 and a Wrangler. Leaning toward the Jeep, maybe. Maybe I can get a Bronco later once they're released. Boy. Now, a long time reader, first time commenter added, John was so excited for the Bronco, but had to cancel his reservation since I just can't wait much longer. Definitely can't wait through another delay since my lease expires in March. I will probably end up getting another Wrangler, maybe the Jeep truck. I can't be the only one in this situation. Ford needs to hurry up and release this thing or risk losing a lot of orders. People can only wait for so long. Now, as Ford has pointed out in the past, the development process for the 2021 Ford Bronco has actually gone very quickly. The problem is, it announced the model return earlier than it typically does, a move that certainly helped create more hype behind the Bronco return, but also has seemingly caused some folks to get impatient as well. And that's quite sad, folks. Ford is attributing its latest delay to COVID-19 related supplier issues, which were likely unavoidable. But we can certainly understand why some people will be forced to go to another direction, especially if they're in need of a vehicle in the next couple of months, which is quite tough. But the Bronco, I mean, just look at this, sitting out in the woods, in the wilderness, man. This is epic. I'm not going to lie. I didn't put an order in, but I know I'm going to get me one. And I'm going to get one that looks just like this baby sitting out here in the wild. I love those tires. I love this package, and I definitely do love that color. But I'm definitely going to get one like this. And I didn't put an order in, but I probably won't end up getting mine until like 2023 sometime. But this is awesome, folks. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.